Jim Boob. Jim Boob, I am coming to your house for Christmas, right? As I said at the end of last episode, I was going to gather up resources and stuff for us to basically make sure we can deal with that dungeon a bit more, okay? Look! Look at that! That, okay, is from one of the veins. That's before we've even made it to the dungeon floor. That is on one of the levels before we made it to the floor. I haven't even started down there yet. Look at that! That's mental. But on a different note as well, I was going to say, check out the food supply, but the food supply looks a bit busy at the moment, so we'll go back. But we'll come back for that. So Jim Boob, you generous fella. Today we're not going to go and get more resources because, well, frankly, there's so many. It would be a bit boring for everyone, I think. So we are just going to basically have a rockin', wailing good time. That was all from that trip, by the way. This is all stuff that I've got left over that I haven't dealt with yet. So the coal and the iron in here is all stuff I had before I went caving. Then there's that. Look at that. I've never, ever, ever owned close to 2 stacks of emeralds. That's ridiculous, but epic at the same time. Okay, well, at least the creepers have gone. Oh, except that fella. Oh yeah, I succumbed to many a creeper blast as well. So if you think my home and front garden now looks a bit like the Somme, well, you're right. Because it does. Because of these fellas doing their little bombing raids all over the place. Oh yeah, and those 2 waypoints there, those are down in the mine. I had to make those so I could find my way back out of the place because it was so huge, and that is where I got up to. And I'm still not finished. There are still resources down there, and I'm nowhere near to getting them all. Which is fantastic. Oh, ow. Right in the face. That came with an effective boing noise as well. Okay, it's giant underwater ravine stuff there. That's good. There's cobble there. Fair enough. Okay, so now that all they are dealt with, we can have a look at my arrow situation. Just got one in my arm. Oh, where did you come from? Just chilling out in the grass. Fine, let's be having you, sunshine. Oh dear. I remember when I used to be able to kill creepers without them even hissing. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which makes, in my count, 7 sevens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. 7 by 8 makes 56 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes 52, which in my books means I'm due a bonus, because one of the bonuses was plant or have a field with 50 or more seeds in it. 52 is greater than 50, which means I'm going to go and open my bonus chest and have a look and see what I have earned to help me in my quest for greatness. Where is the bonus room? That's the monument, which means the bonus room is down here. Oh, I can't wait. So let's just have a look at the bonus task, refresh ourselves. Whoops. We have got agricultural genus, 50 seeds at any one time. Rail link we're working on. Clear the dungeon on this island. We're on our way to doing that one, actually. And these are dungeons that need to be marked, which we haven't found yet. Okay. So there we go. We can have ourselves some milk more seeds, melons, pumpkins and golden apples. That's pretty great. I'm going to take you for the free chest as well. Actually, no, I'll leave you there. Okay, so not sure what we're going to do with milk, other than perhaps make a cake, or if we find a place with cave spider spawners. But we haven't got a way of replenishing that milk, which is my only concern. But never mind. What the fooge. So I'm going to put these away, then we're going to go down into that dungeon and deal with another corridor, because we dealt with one last time, I believe. So what don't I need? We can leave all this stuff here for now. I'll work on perhaps a better farm in the future, but for now at least, let's just leave it all there. Oh, this is good. I feel good now. You know, now we're getting places and doing things. So, look. Okay, let me show you. Look, this entrance here is where I got all the resources from in that chest, and I'm still not done. So we're just going to leave all that there for a later date. My gosh, slimes, you know, everywhere. You know why? It's because none of the other mobs are spawning, taking up their place. Look at them all, you can hear them going for broke. My gravy, gosh. That's so loud. There are so many. I have no idea how many there are, but there are many. Oh my crikey, oh clementines. I need to kill you guys before I can progress. Is this secretly part of the plan? Come on then, let's have you. Get out of my way! I need to continue with my quest! Go away! All of you! Vanquish thyselves! Oh, there's a lot of big ones. More big ones than I anticipated. Oh, what? I broke my sword on a slime? That's embarrassing. Oh, Jesus Christ, you guys hit! Thank God I'm wearing armour, I suppose. Oh dear. Oh. Get out of my face! I want to continue here today! Oh, what is this nonsense? Go away! Oh, right. So now we should just have little ones left. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Sorted now? Except this fella. Oh, hello, spider. Oh, there are more through here, though. See, look, I haven't even made a start down here yet. Look how hungry I got as well, just from taking out slimes. Okay. Right, so let's, we did everything down this path. Hey there. Didn't we? So let's head down this one now. I didn't bring blocks with me. That's going to be a bothersome problem. So let's just grab a couple here now. There we go. Okay. So this is just to keep things safe. Let's keep things tidy now. Oh, hello bat, you scared me a bit. There's a lot of noise. Ooh. Where's he gone? Oh, hello Skelly. Where's he gone? What are you doing hiding around there, fool? Honestly, the last thing I want you to do is blow up here. Oh, hey, Lupus! Be gone! Be gone from my... Oh, you stupid bats! Getting in my face and stopping me making myself safe. That's it, Skellies. You fight it out amongst yourselves. Hello, Skelly. You're going to regret the day you glitched through that wall. Oh, there's more. Oh no, I killed a bat. Oh, slime. Okay, let's put that there. That's hopefully made things a bit nicer that way for now. Oh! Go away, go away, go away, go away. Thank you. Okay, what's going on through here? Oh! There's a plurality of creepers through there. Skirt and slide, skirt and slide. This is the way to tackle your dungeons, my friends. Hey, buddy. You'll explode if I stay near you too long. Oh, and there goes the stone sword. Yes, I know I've got a spawner. Don't worry, I'll get rid of it in due tide. Oh, okay, I can't put a block there. It's because... Oh, you're forcing your way through. Okay, what's going to break it through? It's the zombie first. Oh, 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 go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. Stop pushing him into me. You can't all die at once. Oh, right. Okay. Let's deal. Okay, what do you want? You want to kill me? No, fool. That ain't happening. Should really put that there to keep me safe. Okay. So there's more nastiness going on this way. Of course there's more nastiness. There's always more nastiness. Okay, so that's that way. Whew. Hey, Skelly! You're not shooting me! For whatever purpose. I don't know. Can't help but feel you may have missed the point of your duty here in this game. Ooh! Let's have some fun and kill creepers. Oh, you guys can't reach me? Oh, now you can. Oh, now there's lava in the mix. Oh dear. No way, eh? Get out of here. I genuinely think I may be a little bit Canadian. Oh, no way, eh? That was more Australian than anything, but... Okay, let's put the block places up. Okay. Right. Jesus. This just doesn't get any less crowded. Let's put things down. Ooh! Oh, excellent. Oh, hello, spider. What's wrong with you? Can't you get through? Hey, there's a chest. I just seen things. Lava? Lava? Why lava? Why lava? No, 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 no. Stop that. Hey, redstone. Say, lava, any chance of going away so I can continue? There's a chest there right in my sights. Lava, get stuffed. Ooh. Oh, the bat died in lava. Can you guys get out of my grill? I'm trying to fudge off. Ah. Oh, Skelly! Why must you persist? Ow! Numbnut. Right, come here. Oh! Bats dying in lava is such a sad noise. Well, bats dying is a sad noise, but in lava especially, because you can see them and they're all on fire. Okay. Let's get rid of you. Okay. Da 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 da! Pink wool! Hells to the yeahs! Now, is there anything going on down here that we should know about, maybe? Oh, I don't know. It's worth a nosy, though. Sweet! So there we go. We've got a wool! At last! Oh, I haven't got food. I've got rotten meat, but it's not really food. Okay. So now I think we should continue on through this place, because there's evidently more to do down here. So I think it would be a shame to just kind of quit. Oh, you've got a sword. Is that one of mine? That might have been one of mine. Because, like, there's a thing about monsters that have picked something up. Monsters that have picked something up don't despawn. Ever. So, basically, it's entirely plausible that he picked up my sword from when we died one of the 12 times in this dungeon, walked down here, and has been living down here ever since. Which is quite a cool thought. So, I don't know what to do. How long have I been recording? Let me have a look. 17 minutes. Do I make a start on another one? I kind of want to. I'm having fun here. There's a lot of bats in there. Get out of my way, bats! Right. Yeah, let's just continue onwards. Get out of it, fools! Honestly, just buzz off. Okay. There's an awful lot. Would you go away? Bloody bats, a menace. Oh, okay, so we can't put a block there. Would you? Stupid bat, you deserved everything you had. Oh, hey, you spawner. Do you fancy dying today? Didn't think so. Tough. No choice for you. I mean, thankfully the corridors are literally one wide, so it's pretty hard to get mobbed by a ton of monsters at the same time. You know, you're pretty much destined to fighting them one at a time. Which is fine by me. Makes it easier. Oh, there's more of you. Okay. Level 50! Hooray! We could have a old style full enchantment. Oh, you stupid bat! It was that bat's fault. I could have had that spawner then. Right. I do need to go back to the surface though. Food is in scarce supply. Zombie villagers are on the up, aren't they? Oh, it's a leather armor man! Oh, there goes my torch. Stupid frickin' bats! Ah. There's still a ton of them about. Can hear them. Is that it? Does this tunnel end? Okay, this one ends. Fine. Okay. So let's use this time to nourish ourselves. on the flesh of our enemies. Ah, that's because you're all hiding through here now. Oh, there goes the sword. But I don't want to quit. Look, we're right here. Let's kill it before it lays eggs. There it goes. Okay. Right. Let's get out of here. And we will carry on in this one next time. So, that... Oh! Right. How do I get in and out of this one? Up here. Right, excellent. Okay, well, thank you for watching the video, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I am starting to enjoy it now. It's a lot of fun. Whoopsie daisy. I will see you in the next video. Don't know what it'll be or when it'll be, but it will be something, so you can take comfort in that fact at the very least. Yeah. I have been Nick Ward. I still am Nick Ward. I'm going to drag out this outro until I make it back to the top. Ah, nearly fell. Then this outro would have been really long. Oh, I need food, nourishment, health and safety, please. I have no sword, no life, no money, no job. What am I going to do with things? Oh, anyway, yeah, now we're home. I can rest easy. See you in the next video. I'm just going to get rid of my monster spawners quickly. Oh, we got wool! Yeah, I forgot. Okay, cool. Well, I think we've got a few blocks, actually. So, in the next episode, I think we'll go and put some stuff on the monument. How about that? Yeah? Okay, cool. See you then. Bye, everybody!